Hey Flawless fam, welcome back to Curly Flaws. It's your girl Aishi here. First off, I want to apologize for not uploading videos for a week as I wasn't feeling well. But to keep it up, I will be uploading 2 videos this week. Also a quick update, I previously switched my videos in Hindi, but since the views weren't quite what I expected, so I will be going back to the English for all my intended purposes. So now let's jump into our today's video. Diwali has wrapped up and winter is just around the corner, even though the weather isn't quite there yet. But who's stopping us from getting a head start for our winter collection, right? So first up is this grey shrug. I am adding new colors to my wardrobe because it is all currently filled with whites and browns. And this shrug has a very soft and non-itchy material, and for winters I prefer loose fit and baggy clothes. So now let me just wear it and show it to you guys how it looks on me. As you can see the fit of this shrug, this is the front, and I have opened a button and folded back, and this is the back side. And I have paired this shrug with brown pants because right now my black trousers are in laundry. So yeah, this was the shrug and our first item. Now let's move to the second item. Now let's just move to the sweaters. I got this beige color sweater. I know this color is not new to my wardrobe, but you know I love browns. So yeah, and this sweater is having a high neck with a crop style and having a very sleek and soft fabric, and the stitching is very excellent. So let me just try it let me just try and show it to you guys how it looks on. As you can see the fit, it is a loose fit and it is giving me a very cozy vibes. And this is the front, as you can see, and this is the back side. I have tucked this from the back side to give a very sleek finish. So yeah, now let's just move to the second sweater. So this is our second sweater. I got this in cream color, though I have very much clothes in cream color, but I still want this sweater. So, and the sleeves of this sweater are very puffy, as you can see from both the sides. And this sweater is for very light winters, not for the very not for very heavy winters. So yeah, let me just try it out and show it to you guys how it looks on me. So as you can see the fit of this sweater, it is already a crop top, but I am wearing a black I am wearing a brown trouser, high waist, so that's why I have folded it. So this is the front look, as you can see, and this is the back look. So as you can see the fit of this top, I have wore a brown color trouser, high waisted, so that's why I have folded this sweater a bit, and you can see this is the front look and this is the back look, as you can see. and I love this sweater so much because of this puffy sleeves. Now let's just move to our 1, 2, 3, 4th item. Now our next item is skirt, and this is the new color in my wardrobe. Finally a new color in my wardrobe, except that browns and whites. And I love the fabric and the length of this skirt, and it is also very it has elastic in this, so it is very stretchable. So I will wear this skirt with this sweater, as these both colors will look very fine with each other. So now just get me go and come. So as you can see the skirt looking with this sweater, and it also has pockets. Yay! And this is the front look of the skirt, and and this is the back look, as you can see. And this waistline is also stretchable of this skirt. So yeah, it's giving me like London vibes. Let's just grab a coffee. Oh, sorry. Now let's just move to our next outfit. Sorry. So I also bought this short kurti. So this is my first short kurti in my whole wardrobe. I like this kurti because of its unique neckline, and it also have laced and mirror work on its neckline. And this kurti is a pure cotton. You can wear this in summers only, but winter is not yet here, so I will just wear this. So let me just wear it and show it to you guys how it looks on me. So as you can see the fit of this short kurti, it's not very fitted. As you can see, it is a loose fit kurti, and it has 3/4 sleeves. This is the front. This is the front part, as you can see. Oh my hair. And this is the back part, as you can see. I love this kurti just because of its neckline. So yeah, now let's just move to our last item. So yeah. Guys, this was the transition. So as you can see the fit of this coat, and the material of this coat is not very itchy, and you can see the fit. This is a knee length trench coat. This is the front, and this is the back of this coat. So yeah, I love this coat. Overall, I love this trench coat very much. So this was all for our today's video. I hope you guys like my mini Sarojini haul. If you want more mini hauls, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is curly_frost, and comment your favorite outfit in the comment section. Till then, keep glowing. Bye bye.